Kador par shnong Mawtnum Hariboy district mentag sngi ke santrik rumpang Hajar pesan da ka jingmen bat ka jing sngu ka mansim ya ka office u deputy commissioner Hariboy district kumju ya ka office u block development officer umling CNRD block Khamtam yo Raja Brahma u MCS Baderu u additional deputy commissioner baru project director DRDA halor ke Jingiaroh ban penmang ya ka skim footpath kabala beitengka hapo ka skim MGNREGA ya kabala la ban pendep puraya ka bat layo ban plino mentaga sngi ha ka Jingialang kabal penlong ha ka tehi ke jaka lawan man plino ya ka ne ka footpath dau Raja Brahma u MCS u Baderu u additional deputy commissioner baru project director DRDA kumbu kongsan ha ka ne ka sngi haba ai jingkren ha kene kasngi na kaliang une officer la ai ka Jingiaroh ya ka dor bar shnong Mawtnum kabla pyntrei hok ya kene ka skim kabla penmang da ka Sorkar bat ula ai ro ka jingkular ban ya trelang hakipor ki banangwan bat hakiwi pat ki jingtrei ki ban sa pyntrei shushu ha kene kasngi na kaliang ukongsan ula yo ro ban sami ki sambai jhur shakin nong rep jongga shnong kum ka dak jongga jing penslur ya ka rep ka riang ha ka Jingialang pli ya kene ka footpath lai don rekat uba bat hok nong mali uba dei rang ba shnong jongga shnong Mawtnum o Dr. Kamailang nongmali uskatrishnong o temen basan arar makro lembat kiwi de ki rang ba bat ki paj ba nong shong shnong
kublesi pun star ke jiplai por ke jongpi ngali khot di tenri lah koloi sisa banwan nak step kedong ke jikeman ka barsnong bro koi ba in yu il ke jong ka khmat ke jitrikam jong ka BC hapo ke ka shnong ke jongi de ngidon sibun ki kam banang hap bantrei san ni kermen bangba ka trilang bat phi bingla pendek pikam nam tak roi to par jong ka shnong da hau pingi don ru menta ka ne ka jingeseng prosenteri kum si benta nak bekre jingeseng klerap nak liang ka jong phi bingla bat pendek ka surup bat ni kermen bingi sayo ki wegi wok order ba hadin mi pendek pat ki wegi kam ka sa de kuble sibun ni phi par shnong boro bla plai por gaji bun kam jong ka jingeseng problem don rangkat bekenika jingya plai por ka jong phi nak benta ki kam shnong tom thau de akan ekapon nak liang chang bas nong in ai ke ni city hai sar bi in kuliah ke ke bangi ke kam nak liang ke snong to kublai sibun nak bentak ke plai por ke jopi
te ngapa point sini sa lolong kum alai sen wa te gode pen tas ni long lai kisteng jongaro nga bakhat wa bo su khat inga su adven mon legna tam tambah ngastunat melong kampung dari chairman ro punya program tas si tundong orang ko te romas nang isi khabi babuk ma wan te ong sar gen len akong tam ta pitan por te ong lem step te pitan por ya no ngan wan te ni don young man ma jongi ong old he is a very young man another one join boy another 2014 nga same energy 18-19 tu ngapun tu same energy mentar same energy kata age do ni tharai golong when I will reach his age tharai ni dalam powder mo mo sini te dang slim white sulit te thank you for a good time like you are there with us te team jong ka VEC wa pyntrei kam pos no jingwan sini kum project director mentas ni ru mo nde project ba hang no tadi we project belong kumni si long bon ba project apo riboy dang jai mo tamba phi ba ai we mo mun khot a project director khot a video office ni one dang rangkat but phi they it's a good step to be connect with the officers so te mitas ni ngalawan sini te inde phi khot inga tong man mo mun kren sro pe la ai we petition ro ni ra ko solo street so this is the connection we should have actually ni we have different type of mechanism of office. Then he caught Ramastan meeting, he caught review meeting. Then seeing is believing. The project director ni lawan hapos nong jongpi. Hila tip trekam kumno. Mola fund jong snong rupilai. This is seeing is believing. Pi trekam pi. Then ni kumbo officer ni dan taka iu kalong si caught kumbo bang boy kamo. Ni snong batri ha. In the good book of officers. They come of block good governance done good way subject matter ni have le mo the bora to number 3 mg so this is the good governance one of the good governance mo people have been trekam cut officers and pay along indirect inspection kum project director nga dan come one inspection the parkhat ni dan more than 500 villages and parallelly yet scheme more than around 2000 schemes on yet all the construction new dan par one like bara mo kat by your for me point. They come in caught to by force or by intention, whatever you say, I've reached here and find to walk along itanat mo. So very long contour along your petition. This is the energy of this shnong mo, led by Rama Shnong. This shows that the positive energy we yet and I feel proud that I'm here today with you. We have in future also in the commentary Shibun project scheme. So we can work out. I'm very happy that Mutasni will some Sambairu we have this for solar. Recently the government of Meghalaya has formed a committee headed by the chairman, DC, and we'll be having massive rooftop solar panel. The individual household, we're targeting school building and all about government assets and all. But then rooftop will use them, spin that solar panel and to generate power. So this is there from DRDA, the renewable energy, even the MCBL will be part of the committee. Having said that thing, altogether it's a executive committee, the VAC, for the developmental front, and I wish all the best for all the team. I can see that the future for the development of Mawtnum is bright, and as a project director, I'm committed to work more together. So I'll try my best to have, to give you a sincere part of the development Kubishibon, and I request that even the self-help group member also, then natural farming, integrated farming system and all. This is in the pipe chain of the development in Wandra for the new project of 2025. Thank you very much. Kubishi
Kubishi hajarngu sa drama nakabanta na kajing platform kajing pi nitanat ya kajing pu sumrki kajing pi man ba pikiran man ba yakendu pimju dom pimju lada pidom ru pipet da khmat ba I bat kay ga pikiran ga runglut hangi Kubishi bun kung officer warat ba ubalong dynamic yung kinong way ya kajing la yung pi banwan jingo yangi bat ya ki nget scam manang ne sakmat nginang la ya ban lang bat ki as long as you are here with us in this office niyo ya kanang step na marba kum ka BSc bat kum ka shnong ni tray hok kat bala ya ki kam ki jam kat ka bangi la ka banyo ngimla ban kelet ya iba ransom sutnga prolog ubayarap ya kanang menta ka jing kam presbytery jungi hakabaka nakata ka jing irap jungi ngilala ban way ka way ka GCB ban pankoj ban panan kam yung kita ka parking ban kung tateter hakaju ko por ya MDC ban buram jungi kong Magdalene maulong iba ladon kitibat ngi hakaba repair kan yung surok ngila persyang serum siya ng sar ban yo ya ka jinginap tang ban repair ndengim yo lali kerpat ya ki kontraktor bahe lali kerpat ya ki officer ki ang ladire por pyntrei ngilay si kong mang langbay papajong I hakaba kadu ngi yo tang ban repair tang ban suk ban late ban bat ya ka banta ka basa ang sa pendep ndala kam andal adep kena ke jingasen tengam nang kan sibun ngar ngadon pren kerki jingkerki si posteng ke meeting spot po yusa po musling tengalong ki benra makat welan ne dok siteng nakabanta kan itu tuan fi tegalong hoy tengar nganam la ban ap hadu ban da wai lut kena ke meeting tang su wai munumala ne suka hadu kerja hadu kasang mun ngan persyang ban ap te kublesi bun ya pi ki lok nang sang shnong wat lang idon tang kandiat ro ki bun sar nang ne kimi na jing tre ngar ngami na jing tre ya ka ja nga bamro nga bam sabari bam da ya tang banyo ban be ya kanang program bat ki bun nang ne ki mi na jing tre ki jong ki banyo I pi banyo sngaw pi ban pediang burom pi wat lang ilong tang kandiat ro sa ni kata ka jing kuble ka lang ta ka jing I ba ta ka jing Sbun bat da kajing burom markel yang bat pi tengam dan sibun panong kublai sibun yang sar Raja Brahma MCS additional Deputy Commissioner, yay ba ransom, sutnga, yay kong Magdalene, bat ka ying yung kibala, yarap yang pudeng kasaw siyan kabang ngingi don. Tetang kini kikintin, to boleh kijing sup, unay fi kijing start kijing siyempang, sar nakabantaba pinlaban, kumunong bat sabi, kasansyar kanar jang ngihang ni, bat to boleh unkur kulang ipi baro, ki perlok, ki pramangit, ki dekot yung shnong hang ni, kibadon kijing kitri, nakabanta ka shnong, bat nakaju ka por, unta ka balang, kibalaywan lang ni. Kumjur kitkat na musan, hindi ka ni teman musan tumong, badon lang ni kumukot ng ST committee. Tetang kinagikintin, to boleh kijing sup, unri, unsumar, unay kijing kwa kijing kaya, bangila, pandep ikikam kijam jungi, syua katlay terik, jong bunay February, bangi pediang ni presbytery, bat nginlong kibakmen, bat bayo pediang kijing kerku jungu, kulis bon.